Marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. It's TC 21.5 stock, A2. We're going to race it in less than 5.
Oh, we got to jump.
Off and running.
Hey, look at that.
Joyner with a side-by-side look in that first corner. Lex out in front down the backstretch. Streetcar breakaway. Watch the start-finish line. Joyner put the pressure on Lex early in this one, and then here comes Juwan in the yellow and purple. Down the backstretch we go. And Whitecotton trying to stay with that front group. Blue one with body tuck, pulling it over to the corner marshal, and we're clear. Uh-oh, trouble over here, guys, trouble over here.
Woo.
Lex Tyler out in front, James Joyner in second, Juwan Moore in third. Down the back straightaway we go. It's going to be Lex. Looks like he's established a little space between him and second place now. And the pressure is going to be on Juwan Moore as Edward Whitecotton starts to close in on Juwan. Here down the back straightaway.
More respect in second going for driving.
Arthur Knight rounding out the top 5. Lex Tyler, 2.2 seconds out in front of James Joyner. I believe Lex was our winner from A1. Here he is across the start-finish line. 13.2. All right, three-way battle for the 2 spot. Joyner, Moore, and Whitecotton.
Cut the body so it doesn't do that.
Green and white down the backstretch is Joyner, Moore in the yellow and purple, and then Whitecotton in the white and blue. Oh man,
there was parts
catching the rail and going to drop back to the 5th spot, it looks like. Arthur picking up 4th and Whitecotton into the top 3. All right, Lex. 14.1 last time by 3-second lead. Teal and White through the middle. 2 minutes and 30 seconds in and 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to go. We're halfway there. Tyler with 13.5 last time by. 13.4 for Joyner. 13.4 for Whitecotton. 13.5 for Arthur. 13.6 for Juwan. Lex on a 24-lap run, Joyner on a 23-lap run, Whitecotton on a 23-lap run. Watching the start-finish line. Caution, right at the start-finish, we're clear. Back straightaway, guys. Caution on the back straightaway, go low. Caution on the back straightaway, go low. Coming onto the back straightaway, go low. And we're clear. All right, guys, 3:15 in and 1:45 left to go. 3:15 in, 1:45 left to go. Our race leader, Lex Tyler, out in front by 4.2 now. Coming across the start-finish line is going to be coming up on the orange car of Brian. Brian needs help in the middle. All right, we got a little battle here for the 3rd spot. Whitecotton and Arthur down the back straightaway. Whitecotton, the white and blue. Arthur in that fluorescent orange. And Juwan sneaking through. Juwan right there with them now. Good recovery for Juwan Moore. Let's see if we can make some progress up on Knight and Whitecotton to make it back into the top 3. 1 minute left to go. All right, in our battle for second, making it by the fluorescent orange. 45 seconds left to go.
Arthur Knight and Whitecotton. Yeah.
Yeah. 15 seconds left to go, guys. 15 seconds. 3-way battle. 5 seconds left to go. Joyner, White Cotton, and Knight in a three-way battle for the 2 spot, but it's going to be Lex Tyler out in front by 7 seconds. Our winner in A1, and across the start finish line, our winner in A2. Lex is going to take the championship title for TC 21.5 stock. We're waiting for Joyner to cross the line, and that's race. Everybody is done. All right, guys, it's going to be Lex Tyler. Boom, shakalaka taking the title. James Joyner second. White Cotton third for that race. We'll see the rest of you guys in A3.